Having a lifted Jeep can be badass, but getting in and out can be a little bit challenging, especially for the vertically challenged people like me. These solid grab bars for your 1997 to 2006 TJ will be a perfect solution for that. These will make getting in and out of the Jeep easy and will be helpful for passengers when you're on bumpy trails. These are for someone who wants something more solid than just a rope or a fabric handle, for more stability, or want to use this in addition to a soft grab handle so you have 2 points to grab. Installing this requires no drilling at all and gets a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and I'll tell you more about the install in just a moment. Like I said before, these are going to be a solid option compared to other grab handles that we offer for the TJ, made of a solid 3/4 inch steel. They have a black powder coat finish on them that will match any factory interior, as well as be pretty tough and able to take some abuse. They come with a dual layer rubber grip for a more comfortable feel on your hand, and they even have a couple other colors in the grip other than black, like red and pink, to add a touch of style of your interior or match any existing color scheme that you may have going on. What I really like about this is that they are completely bolt-on and they bolt directly to your roll bar, so they don't need any modification to make them work. These are fairly priced, although they are one of the most expensive options for a grab handle on our site right now, at right around $85. Keep in mind that the reason that they are higher priced is because they're solid steel, unlike most of the paracord or foam options that range anywhere from $20 to $40. Those are still great options if you're looking for help into your Jeep for a lesser price, but if you're looking for something sturdy and solid, the extra money is definitely worth it with these. We do also have another solid option by Synergy for about $5 more, which has a different design, but the only drawback that I see from that option is that it doesn't come with a grip. Speaking of that, to add on to this grip here, if you were looking for another color, it would only cost you around $11 more. Like I said, guys, this is a pretty simple install at 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and doesn't require any drilling. It should take you about 30 minutes to get everything all bolted up with a couple of basic hand tools. I would like to mention that these are side specific, so keep that in mind when you're installing them. First, you have to remove the 2 8mm bolts on the inside upper corner of the windshield frame. Then you can align the grab handle mounting bracket over the frame holes and reinstall the factory bolts, sandwiching the bracket in between. After everything's all tightened up, you are all set. So if you're looking for some solid help getting in and out of your TJ, these grab handles are a great choice. This is Meredith with XT, and for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.